Here is an example of the correct way to do a water heater. This little piece of paper here says that this is a dielectric fitting, which basically means there can't be a dielectric reaction between this fitting and the metal down here causing corrosion. Dielectric fittings are something that get missed all the time. This system has an expansion tank installed. The expansion tank is secured to something that isn't the water heater or the plumbing. So while we're on the topic, I'm really happy to see that they connected the expansion tank to the cold side downstream of the valve. Sets of earthquake straps, one on the top third, one on the lower third, and the lower strap is at least 6 inches away from the gas regulator. And the dirt leg on this gas line is installed below a change in direction for the gas. So this is installed correctly. The system isn't turned up to boiling hot, so there's no scald potential here. And this service tag right here says that it was serviced last year. Last but not least, the TPR pipe is made out of something that isn't PVC, and it's secure. This thing going and checked for gas leaks here at the ventilation and here at the bottom, and there aren't any gas leaks. Ladies and gentlemen, this is how you do a water heater correctly.